Hello everyone. Today I will introduce Google Drive, a useful tool for you. Are you ready for this lesson? And let's start it. I will introduce the Google Drive first and teach you where to find it and how to update and download the data and what is recent access, stars, and trash can. And first, what is Google Drive? It is a storage space connected to the internet. In other words, you can use those data stored in the drive whenever and wherever if you can connect it to the internet. Second, Google Drive can connect to Google applications directly, like Google Documents, Google Sheets, and so on. I will show you some examples later. Last, it provides sharing function. You can share your data with other people directly too. And the first thing we should do is find it. You can see the button at the right upper corner. Click it and you can see the drive. Let's see the sample video. Click the button and find the drive. And this is the surface of the drive. Now it's practice time. You can pause the video and practice. After entering Google Drive, you will see a button called New. Click it, and you will see there are some options. The first option, folder, can create a new folder. The second one is file upload. You can click this button to upload data. And the third one is folder update. You can click it to upload a full folder. And turn to the next three options. They are what I mentioned in the previous slide. They are Google applications. We can insert them directly through Google Drive and click the option More. Can insert other types of Google application. And let's see the sample video. Click New. And I want to create a new folder. Give it a name. And click Create. And you can see your folder is created. And now I want to upload a file. And I click File Upload. And choose my data in my computer. And your data is being uploaded. And I want to create a Google document. Give it a name. After it's stored to the drive, you can check your drive again. And the document is being created. And you also can create other Google applications. And now it's practice time. You can pause the video and practice. Next function is download. If you want to download something stored in the Google Drive, you can download it directly. I will show you how to download data. First, right-click your data and click Download button. And let's see the sample video. Right-click my data and click Download. And this data is being downloaded in my computer. Now it's practice time. You can pause the video and practice. Next function is recent access. If you forget where your data is, you can click the recent button, and you can find those data you recently used. Let's see the sample video. Click recent. And these data are what I used just now. Now it's practice time. You can pause the video and practice. And next, I will introduce the star function. We can mark star to data, and then we can find these star data more quickly. The steps are similar to the steps of download. Right-click your data first, and click Add to Star. And you will see your data appear in the star. Let's see the sample video. Right-click my data and click Add to Start and check Start, and you can see your data is the start now. Now it's practice time. You can pause the video and practice. The final function is trash can. This function can be used when you want to throw some data away. The steps of throwing data away as usual. First, right-click your data, click Remove, and you will see your data appear in the trash. Let's see the sample video. Right-click My Data, then click Remove, and check the trash can. And you can see your data is in the trash can. This is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to review the course content by your own. And see you next time. Bye bye.